Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I thought I would go ahead and share what I bought at Aldi today. So I did a huge 3 to possibly 4 week haul. In my area right now, we're not under a shelter in place, but it happened in several counties not too far away. So I know even when they place those, you're still allowed to go get groceries. However, if it's that bad in the area, they have to place a shelter in place. I prefer to stay home if at all possible. So I went ahead and stocked up for like I said, 3 to possibly 4 weeks. Now I am a couponer in case you don't follow my channel already. So I have a lot of canned goods and pastas and meat and things like that, cereals. So this is just mainly some things I needed to make meals and my baking products and some lunches and then some fresh stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that I bought. This is probably the most I've ever spent at Aldi because I usually get 2 weeks worth of things, and I also usually go to Walmart. However, I was actually able to get almost everything on my list with the exception of I was gonna pick up some meatballs for a quick meal and some like Aldi brand steakums. They didn't have that. But anyway, they actually even had toilet paper. I'm a couponer, so I don't need toilet paper. But I actually was there around 9 o'clock. So if you want toilet paper, you might want to get there when the store opens up. Every person I saw in there pretty much had a thing of toilet paper in their cart. So as of now, Aldi, at least in my area, has toilet paper. I think they're stocking overnight or early in the morning. Anyway, so if you need some, you might want to check there. So I went ahead and grabbed some cheese. I think the Mexican cheese was like $2.49. That big 2-pound bag of mozzarella was like $5.19. String cheese, I believe, was like $2.69. I only picked up one of those, so that's a little pricey for me. All the block cheeses was $1.49, I believe, and I think I bought like 7 of them. The cream cheese, I got several of those, I think were like 69 cents a piece. The margarine was, I think, 89 cents a piece. I love to bake, so I went ahead and stocked up on that. That can be frozen, but I really don't think it's going to go bad before I can use it. I am holding my youngest, so if the camera shakes a little bit, he gets a little excited. Okay, so I picked up these animal crackers. We've never tried these. I usually buy the animal crackers for the kids at Walmart, but I didn't want to make an extra stop. I just wanted to get in and get out. So they were like $1.69. Like I said, I have no idea what they taste like. Hopefully the kids like them. I went ahead and got some snack cakes to pack in my husband's lunch. They're like $1.25, I think, each one of them. So that's just something he likes to have in his lunch. The big box of mashed potatoes, they were like $1.49, I believe. Now my store was almost completely out of pasta. I didn't need any pasta, but just a heads up there if you're wanting to get pasta. They actually didn't have a whole lot of those mashed potatoes either. These complete box of pancakes is like $1.49. This will last me a long time. I make a whole bunch of pancakes and freeze them for quick, easy breakfast for my kids. The huge thing of peanut butter is like $2.09. Ketchup was $1. Mustard was 49 cents. It's really strange how I was actually out of a lot of my baking essentials. Like I needed some salt, cocoa powder, baking soda. I was getting low on all of those. So I went ahead and picked up all that stuff. Baking cocoa, I think, was like $1.69, which is a really good price. The baking powder and the soda, I think, were right around 50 cents. The salt, I think, was 39 cents. Mini marshmallows, I think, were like 99 cents. And then my sugar-free pudding, I think, is like 39 cents. I went ahead and grabbed 3 of those. Bacon bits for salads and other quesadillas and stuff. Flour, I was thankful I was able to find that. I didn't see any sugar, but I did just stock up on sugar at Wise, so I didn't need any of that. That was only, I think, $1.15, and I want to do some extra baking. Went ahead and grabbed another bag of that to have that on hand. The cheese melt, which is not my favorite. I really like the Walmart brand, but I need that in several of my recipes. So I went ahead and just grabbed 2 of those at $3.99, and we'll make do, even though we don't love it. We like the Walmart brand, but it'll be fine. Grabbed a big can of baked beans as a quick, easy side. I think they were like a little over $1 maybe, but they'll last us for 2 meals. Parsley was 79 cents. I grabbed a bag of this original chili. I make a super easy enchilada recipe. All you need is shredded cheese, a can of this chili, and tortillas. It's a super quick, easy meal. Went ahead and grabbed that. I do have a recipe video. I can try to remember to link that down below. So I do have a lot of canned products. I just wanted to get some more. The limit at my store is 4 on canned products. So they had refried beans. I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those. I grabbed 4 cans of corn. I'm making a potato corn chowder that is amazing. I have some leftover ham that I have from Easter. So I'm going to use that instead of cubed ham steak. So I'm just gonna, I've never made it that way, but I'm gonna make do with what I have and try to use up my frozen meat and make a really yummy soup. I do have a recipe on that. I will link that down below as well. I got some of this yeast. I wanna make some homemade cinnamon rolls. I have some extra time. I cannot wait to make these cinnamon rolls. I've been wanting to do this since Christmas, and I think it's gonna happen this week. If I get to do it, I will leave the recipe. I will make a video for you guys to get it up. It is amazing. So I went ahead and grabbed those. Big bag of potatoes, I think it was like $4.50. It's 10 pounds. That will last us a while. This onion soup is for a round steak recipe that I'm going to make. It's in a crock pot. It's amazing. I have a video on that as well. If I forget to leave the links down below, just comment and I'll give you the direct link in the comments. Taco seasoning was like 39 cents. I'm going to make some tacos and quesadillas. This is for a tater tot casserole that I'm going to make. It's a Mexican kind. I don't know if I have a video on that. If I don't, I'm going to film it because it is amazing. Hot dogs, I'm going to make those in the air fryer for a quick, easy meal. This cheese, my kids call it a big square cheese. They like to have some of this sometimes for a snack. It's like $1.45. I grabbed each of these with these stickers on. My husband likes to have these in his lunch as well. I'll go ahead and freeze probably both of them. But anyway, I think the cinnamon rolls were $1.99 after the $1 off, and then this loaf was like $1.29 after the $2 off. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the broccoli because they were out of frozen broccoli. So I'm just going to chop this up myself, freeze it, and I'll have my own broccoli. It's actually a little more expensive to do it like this. However, I kind of need it, so I went ahead and got this to just do it a little bit different this time. So I got half and half for the broccoli and cheese soup that I'm making, my unsweetened almond milk, and I believe the almond milk is like $1.65. Half and half, I think, is really close to that. I don't have a photographic memory exactly, but I think it's pretty close. The milk was, I think, almost $4, like $3.50 something, I think. That's actually, I will pour some in a cup for my daughter, and then it's going to go in the freezer. That way I can go a whole, hopefully. I just have one that I got out of the freezer. But anyway, that way I can have milk, and I don't need to run to the store just because we're out of milk. So that's an idea for you. If you don't want to go out, just grab an extra thing of milk and pop it in your freezer. I got 2 bags of veggie straws. I think they were like $1.95. My kids like to have those with lunch. Cottage cheese, I definitely got more of that. I actually have a couple still sitting on my counter. I didn't have room to put it in the video. But they were $1.59, I believe, a piece. The ricotta cheese is for a new lasagna recipe that I'm going to try. I think it was like almost $2 for that. Sour cream, I think is $1.35. I got 2 of those. Bananas, I think it was like 85 cents for all 5 of these. The Roma tomatoes were 99 cents for 5. The lettuce was $1.05. Hamburger buns, I think were hot dog buns were 85 cents. I got the salad for I think 89 cents. The flatbread is like $2.85. I like to have that instead of bread. My family eats bread. I prefer to use flatbread to keep it semi-low carb. The loaf of bread I think was 85 cents. The bread is a limit of 2, as well as the eggs were 99 cents, and that was a limit of 2. I did grab 2 tissues. My kids still have runny noses, and I don't know exactly how fast we're going to go through tissues, so I went ahead and stocked up and grabbed 2 of those. And I did grab another pack of napkins. I think it was like $1.49. But I now have 2 packages of unopened napkins, lots of boxes of tissues. So I think we are completely set. And like I said, I'm going to try to stretch this for 4 weeks. We are a family of 4. My kids and my husband and me. We all like to eat. So anyway, that's all I got at Aldi. I just wanted to share that with you guys. And in case you're a couponer, don't look for any couponing hauls from me. I'm going to try to just stay inside, keep myself safe and my family, and I hope you guys stay safe as well. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.